In this video, Quore AI will guide you through the challenging task of developing high visual memory capacity. This goal can only be achieved through targeted training and consistent practice. We will start by suggesting 3 daily visual memory drills. The first drill is the Kim's game, which consists of observation and recall to sharpen attention to detail and short-term visual retention. Start by placing 10 to 20 small objects like keys, coins, or pens on a tray. Study them for 1 minute, then cover the tray and write down all items you remember. Next, gradually increase the number of objects or reduce observation time. The second drill is the grid memory training to enhance spatial memory and pattern recognition. Start by drawing a 4x4 grid and randomly fill cells with symbols or numbers. Study it for 30 seconds, then recreate it from memory. Next, progress to larger grids like 5x5, 6x6, or use colors and shapes. The third drill is the image flash recall to train rapid visual encoding and detail retention. Use apps like Lumosity or Peak that flash complex images for 5 to 10 seconds. After the image disappears, answer questions about details such as, how many red cars were there? Now let's look at 2 mnemonic techniques to improve visual memory. The first technique is the memory palace or method of loci. It links abstract information to spatial or visual cues, leveraging the brain's superior recall for locations. Start by visualizing a familiar place like your home. Mentally place items or information you want to remember in specific locations, such as a book on the sofa or a number on the fridge. Then, walk through the space in your mind to retrieve the items. The second technique is the symbol-image association to transform non-visual information into memorable visuals. Convert abstract data, like numbers or names, into vivid mental images. For example, you can remember 1945 as a firework, marking the end of World War II, exploding over a globe. Now let's look at 2 advanced visualization exercises. The first exercise is the mental rotation practice to strengthen spatial reasoning and mental imagery. Start by studying a 3-dimensional object, for example, a cube with patterns, for 10 seconds. Then, mentally rotate it and describe what the opposite side would look like. The second exercise is to mimic eidetic memory by training detailed visual imprinting. It's called the eidetic memory simulation. Start by staring at a detailed painting or photograph for 1 to 2 minutes. Close your eyes and reconstruct the image mentally, focusing on colors, shapes, and layout. Then compare your mental image to the original to identify gaps. Now, it's time for real-world applications. Sketch a landscape or face after observing it for 5 minutes. Compare your drawing to the original to refine accuracy. Or visit a new location, like a park, study the layout, and later draw a map from memory. Alternatively, you can study and replicate art styles, architectural designs, or photography compositions. Analyze how details contribute to the whole. For all these drills, techniques, and exercises to bear fruit, you will need some lifestyle adjustments. Sleep. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours nightly. REM sleep is critical for memory consolidation. Nutrition: omega-3s from fish and walnuts, antioxidants from berries, and B vitamins from leafy greens support brain health. Mindfulness meditation, it really improves focus during observation tasks. Remember this, tracking your progress will help you build up confidence in succeeding. Test and weekly challenge yourself. Increase the complexity of drills by 10% each week, like more grid cells or shorter observation times. Note improvements in tasks like recalling faces, directions, or patterns. In 1 month, you will notice improved detail retention in daily tasks, like remembering where you parked. In 3 to 6 months, you will notice an increased ability to recall complex images and spatial layouts. In a little more than a year, you will have gained potential for near photographic recall of frequently practiced material. Wouldn't that be awesome? Start small, stay patient, and celebrate incremental progress.